You search for how to buy shares of the Pennant Group Inc., a company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PNTG. Here is a brief, practical walkthrough. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker PNTG to find the Pennant Group Inc. Confirm you select the entry that shows PNTG on NASDAQ to reach the correct listing. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to ensure this matches the Pennant Group Inc. Double-check the ticker and exchange so you are viewing the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After purchase, your position will appear in the portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.